Welcome back to Crummy Perfection, where we make delicious recipes simple. Today we're going to be making a campfire s'mores cookie with marshmallow, graham crackers, and chocolate chips. Start by measuring out all of these ingredients, and most cookie recipes will call for softened butter, and this one make sure we use melted. We're going to start by combining our dry ingredients together. Add the flour, salt, baking soda, and graham crackers. Stir it all together until it's evenly combined, and set it aside. Next we're going to add the sugar, brown sugar, and butter together. Stir it until it's light and creamy like this. It'll be a lighter color than when we started. Add the eggs to the mixture, the vanilla, and give it a stir again. Once it's all combined, add half of the flour mixture to the bowl, stir, and then add the rest of it. This helps the gluten from building up too much. Once the second round of flour is fully incorporated, scrape the edges and mix in the chocolate chips and the marshmallows. Give it a good fold in until it's evenly combined, and then we're going to move on to the topping. Crush up graham crackers roughly like this and firmly press them into the outside of the chocolate chip cookies. It's important to don't chill them. Separate it on the pan about this far apart and toss it in the oven for about 12 minutes. The top should be golden brown and then starting to turn a darker brown on the rim just like this. I should have separated mine a little bit more than I did, but it still turned out great. Thanks for following along with me. If you liked this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and think about checking out last week's video where I made a flourless chocolate cake.